But the first thing is to be focused positively, that today we are going to do the best, and my best outcome will give me the corresponding results. And if that comes, I'm thankful, and I move on to the next stage. So that if anything comes, any bad wind blow, it will not shake you. It may shake you small. Sometimes when you cry, you always have to have a handkerchief in your pocket, so that when you cry a little, then you wipe your face, and you smile and you continue. Is that all right? So you are all welcome for today's work. And I want to encourage each and everyone to be very hopeful and support them positively in our minds, in our spirits, with our body language. When right answers are given or when we need to encourage them, let's be part of the whole process. And the best outcome will be celebrated. And I believe that each and everyone deserves best outcomes. So I wish you all the best. And if you have a chance to take the stage, I know some of you are substitutes. If you have a chance to take the stage, it's very important that you focus and look at the trend and you prepare yourself. You must be in readiness to take over when it's your turn, if the opportunity comes as well. Is that okay? So now, once again, turn to a neighbor and say, neighbor, I am very glad you are seated by me. I am receiving positive vibes from you. In fact, if the person you are seated with is not talking, change the position. You don't need somebody who doesn't want to talk, who is already gloomy, who is making you anxious. The way the face is straight is even causing anxiety in you. Or the person is not smiley. So now turn to your neighbors again, left and right. Steady them well. Are they smiling? Are they positive? Are they people who respond to your greetings and your... Are you comfortable with the one you are seated with? Then put your hands together for yourselves. Good. So we are looking forward to a very positive day. And may the Lord help all of us. Can we say a big amen to that? Thank you for your time. All right, where's our MC?
I hope you can hear me very well. All right, and we are all happy. And like the counselor said, we are really going to have a good time. I am really going to enjoy the quiz. And I'm positive our contestants plus our supporting staff and teachers would also enjoy themselves. So we want to zoom into action. Let me welcome every single one of you to today's contest. It is day 2, and for the 2024 Junior Science and Maths quiz. And the quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service and DEX Technologies. Permit me to appreciate our Vice Chancellor in the person of Professor Mrs. Rita Akosia-Dixon for her continuous support. We also want to appreciate, in fact, we want to first recognize and then appreciate the support of the board of the Junior Science and Maths quiz. And whilst doing that, we need to single out the board chair, Professor Kwesi Preko, for the amazing leadership roles he has been playing. And we also want to appreciate the effort of all board members. Let me also salute and really thank all the head teachers, owners of various schools, especially the schools who are present during this particular contest. We want to say thank you to them for allowing their schools to take part in this year's competition. And then to the teachers, the dedicated teachers who have really prepared the students for the contest, we can only say thank you to them. And then to the students who are proudly representing their schools, I call them gallant students proudly presenting their schools. And as always, for them, I always say Aiko to every single one of them. And do we have supporters in the house? Oh, are you sure you are supporters? Yes. Oh, then let me feel your energy. Are you in the house? Yes, that's more like it. That is more like it. And let me use this opportunity to also acknowledge and express, in fact, our deepest gratitude to all our sponsors. We want to thank them for coming on board to support us in this year's quiz. And so to every single one of our sponsors, we are truly and deeply grateful to them. So the 2024 Junior Science and Maths Quiz Competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST E-Learning Center. We want to say we are grateful to the E-Learning Center for all our media and video coverages. And at KNUST E-Learning, we say just a click. The KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, we want to appreciate them for the amazing venues they provided when we traveled around the country. At KNUST IDL, we say lifelong learning, an essential tool for development. To the KNUST UITS, the University Information Technology Services, we want to also appreciate them for providing us with the needed bandwidth for running all our quizzes. And in fact, they gave us high-speed internet, and so we want to say thank you to them. DEX Technologies, where are DEX Technologies? We say practical science is now practical. Thank you so very much for always supporting our technology challenge. You always make it hands-on and extremely exciting. To the Ghana Standards Authority, we thank you for providing generous contribution towards this year's competition. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, we want to appreciate you for the juicy prizes you have provided for this year's competition. The Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, we thank you so very much for coming on board and for always impacting lives. SteadyX, we want to thank them for their generous contribution as well. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we are looking forward to the wonderful meal packages And at Pizza Man Chicken Man, we say, great food lives here. Fonjo Images, we want to appreciate you for always keeping those memories of ours alive. Nestle Ghana Limited, you are deeply appreciated for your generous contribution. And at Nestle Ghana Limited, we say good food, good life. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you because you are telecasting all our programs, all our quizzes, live. And in Ghana, we say colored, live and colored. We thank you for amplifying our impact and our reach. We appreciate you for this generous collaboration or partnership. And as Kesben TV, we say Obia Bedidi, to which everyone will have a share. Remember, this particular quiz is carefully made or put together, and we target our learners in the junior high schools so that through this quiz, they will be able to exhibit their understanding when it comes to the fundamentals underlining the life sciences as well as the physical sciences. And through the quiz, they'll be able to exhibit all the needed skills, the knowledge, and the experience needed in what I call the fifth generation. And we believe strongly that with these skills, they'll be better placed and well prepared for future opportunities. And so I'm positive that the contesting schools, they have prepared very well, and the contestants representing their schools are ready and they are poised. And like I said, I am really looking forward to an exciting quiz. And so we have 3 schools competing in this morning's contest. We have Best Brain Academy. Best Brain Academy. Do you want to give it up to them? And we have Star Holy Kingdom Academy. And we have GIFPRAISE School Complex. Please give it up to them. But these schools are represented by amazing students. And so we want the students to kindly, turn their microphones on. Very good. And then we want to hear your voices. So we need you to introduce yourselves by mentioning your names, obviously, and the form or the class you find yourselves in. And so Best Brain Academy is proud. And maybe tell us the region you are from, your school is located in. So Best Brain Academy is proudly represented by all right, and okay, so we'll go for a very short commercial break and try and fix their microphones for them. We'll be back soon. Okay, just shout hello into your microphones. Best Brain.
Hello.
Good. Star.
Hello.
Very good. And GIFPRAISE.
Hello.
Oh, say it with
Hello.
a lot of energy. Do you want to say it again?
Hello.
Okay, so let's go back to the introduction. And Best Brain Academy is proudly represented by
Jones AJ Jr., year 3.
very good, and
Watson Apia Klaus, also in year 3.
all right. And where is your school located? Which region?
Ashanti region.
Ashanti region, please. A round of applause for them. And Star Holy Kingdom Academy is also proudly represented by
Asaro Denzel, Basic 8.
very good. And
Okujato Kelvin, Basic 8.
all right. And where is Star Holy Academy located? Which of the regions?
The Greater Accra region.
The Greater Accra region. Amazing. And GIFPRAISE School Complex is also proudly represented by
Vanessa Okori, final year.
right, final year is Form 3. All right. And
Claire Bambury, final year.
all right. And GIFPRAISE, your school is also located in which of the regions?
Eastern region.
The Eastern region. Please give it up to them. And I also need to introduce myself. My name is Augustina Angelina Silvakin. I'm a senior lecturer at the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology and also a senior research fellow at the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research in Tropical Medicine. And I'll be your quiz mistress for this afternoon's contest. So just some few general rules. You have buzzers in front of you, but before we test the buzzers, contestants, I'm happy your microphones are on. So I will recommend that you keep the microphones on throughout the period of the quiz. And kindly, when you are speaking into the microphones, please don't touch the microphone, all right? Just speak directly into the microphones and we'll be good to go. So let's look into the buzzers. Can I hear the sound from the buzzer for best brain? Very good. Star Holy Kingdom. Star Holy Kingdom. Very good. GIFPRAISE. Okay. Can we hear Star Holy Kingdom Academy again? Very good. GIFPRAISE. Okay, and then Best Brain Academy. Excellent. So you know that typically for your main question, there's no need pressing the buzzer. You only press the buzzer when there's a competition. So a competition will come in when a school is unable to answer its main question. And then the two remaining schools can run after the buzzer to draw my attention to your schools or to yourselves. And so there will be 5 rounds in this contest. Round 1, the fundamentals. Round 2, the fastest brain or fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3, the science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. Round 5, the global Nobel Prize awards. So 5 rounds in total. And at the beginning of every round, I'll be reading the instructions. And I'll really employ my contestants to pay attention and to stay focused once I go through the instructions. So we want to start with round 1. Are we ready? Jones and Boateng Claus, are you ready? Okay. Asare Denzel and Kelvin Okujeto, are you ready? I can't hear you.
Yes.
All right. And then Vanessa and Anne, are you also ready? Okay. So we want to start with round 1, the fundamentals. So this round consists of questions in the areas of biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and ICT. And if a school answers a question correctly, 3 points will be awarded. If it is comes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. And the score in this case for a bonus is 1 point. And schools, I'll give you 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 50 good seconds to answer questions that require calculations. And each of your schools will have a maximum of 2 attempts, only 2 attempts for your main question and 1 attempt for your bonus or for a bonus question. And bonus questions, like I said, are always open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. So if you fail to ring the buzzer and you go ahead to produce an answer, though a correct answer, I will nullify that particular answer, which means that even though you may have put in a lot of effort, you will not attract any points. So please, just be very careful and then adhere to all the instructions. So my dear contestants representing the various schools, I wish you all the best. All the best. So we want to start with the first set of questions. And I'll give you 15 seconds. 15 seconds. So I'll project an image on the screen. And I need you to, 1, identify the image and then state a primary function. So state 1 function of the image projected. So you identify the image and you just produce or provide me with 1 function of the image. All right, so best brain. Best brain.
The image is RAM, that's the random access memory, and then it temporarily stores data needed by the computer.
That is correct. 3 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Your image.
So the image is the integrated circuit, and it's made up of very numerous transistors which help to speed up processing.
Yes, go on.
So it is, I said, it is the integrated circuit. It's made up of many transistors which help to carry signals.
Yeah, go ahead, I'm listening. Which helps to
increase processing.
I'm unable to, I'll give you 1 out of 3. I'll give you 1 out of 3. Yes, you got the image correct, but then the function, you were trying to describe the image, but I wasn't interested in a description. Because we know that the read-only memory or the integrated circuit, it is used to store permanent instructions and data that are typically very crucial for the computer's startup process and basic operations. So yes, you were able to give me the image, but then you struggled a little bit with the function. All right. Give praise. Give praise.
The image is a microprocessor, and it's used as what? It's a memory card.
That is not correct. Best brain.
The image is an SD card, and the function of this is for storage of information for a longer time.
That's correct. 3. No, 1. 1 point. 1 point. 1 point. So it's SD card. SD card. A secure digital card. The next set of questions, contestants, I'll give you 15 seconds, and there is a preamble to all schools. So I need you to list the organs and the organ segments or structures from the system I will be giving you involved in stated processes. And I need you to do this in a correct manner. Should I repeat the instruction, the preamble? So I will present you with some processes, and I only need you to list the organs and the organ segments or the structures from the system I will give you. And you need to do this in an orderly manner or in a correct manner. All right. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. The human respiratory system from inhalation to gaseous exchange.
Okay, so we have the nostrils, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, the lungs, and the alveoli.
That is not correct. Best brain.
In respiration, so it starts from the nose, then through the nostrils, the nasal cavity, the trachea, the bronchioles, and then the alveoli. The alveoli is where the gaseous exchange occurs.
Well, I did not ask you to tell me where things occur. I was only interested in the process. And incorrect, by the way. Oh, we've been timed up. So it's the nose or the nostrils. And then it goes to the pharynx. The pharynx. Then it goes to the larynx. Also, you know, it's also known as the voice box. Then it goes to the trachea. It goes to the bronchi, the airwaves, and then the bronchioles. Then it gets into the alveoli. All right. Give praise. The human gastrointestinal tract, from protein breakdown to water reabsorption.
So from the stomach into the duodenum in the small intestines to the large intestines to the colon.
That is not correct. Oh, your time is up. Star Holy Academy, Kingdom Academy. Yes, go on.
So, from the stomach through the pyloric sphincter to the duodenum, then to the ileum, then to the large intestine.
Unfortunately, that is also not correct. So yes, from the stomach, then it goes to the duodenum, then it goes to the jejunum, then the ileum, or you know, it has the small intestine, and then it ends in the large intestine or the colon. All right, so I hope we are learning something new. Best brain. Best brain. The circulatory system, from oxygenation of deoxygenated blood to all parts of the body.
So it's going to begin from the lungs, through the pulmonary veins, the heart, through, and then the aorta, to all parts of the body.
Are you through? That is not correct, but you have another chance. Your time is up. I'm so sorry. Star Holy Kingdom.
So we have from the lungs to the pulmonary vein to the left atrium through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle to the aorta, then to all parts of the bodies through the arteries.
Unfortunately, that is not correct. I'm just wondering what the lungs is doing in this case. So you know, it starts from the pulmonary vein, then it goes into the left atrium, then to the left ventricle, then the aorta, the arteries, and then the capillaries. All right, so we need to check on our systems, right, on our systems. The next set of questions, Campbell. And I need you to explain the following. Explain the following. Give praise. The role of photosynthesis in the carbon cycle.
So, photosynthesis reduces carbon concentration in the atmosphere. Plants use carbon dioxide in the preparation of their food.
3 points. 3 points. Well done. Well done. Well done. Best brain. The role of respiration in the carbon cycle.
So animal respiration is going to release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, thereby increasing the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
3 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. The role of decomposers in the carbon cycle.
So they decompose organic matter to form fossil fuels in the soil, which increases the amount of carbon in the atmosphere.
So I won't pass this on, but I'll give them 1 out of 3. Yes, I heard the organic matter, but then at the end of the breakdown, this carbon is released back into the atmosphere, and I was looking out for that. Oh, okay, I'll give it to you. 3 points. Please clap for them. 3 points. So for the next set of questions, contestants, you'll be doing some few calculations. So I'll give you 50 seconds. 50 seconds. And listen to the preamble attentively. It's a long one. A person standing between 2 parallel cliffs, A and B, claps her hands. The first echo from A is heard after 1.5 seconds, and the second echo from B is heard 2 seconds after the first echo. Assuming the speed of sound in air is 343 meters per second, calculate. I'll go over it again. I'll go over. A person standing between 2 parallel cliffs, A and B, claps her hands. The first echo from A is heard after 1.5 seconds, and the second echo from B is heard 2 seconds after the first echo. Assuming the speed of sound in air is 343 meters per second, calculate. Best brain. The distance between the person and cliff A.
514.5 meters.
Please check your calculations. That is wrong. You still have some time.
$171.5.
That is not correct. Best brain. Oh, you yourselves, okay. So it's open to the 2 other schools to compete for GIFPRAISE.
514.5 meters.
That is not correct, but I'll hold on to the answer. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. The distance between her and cliff B.
$171.5 meters.
That is not correct.
So we are 686 meters.
No, that is not correct. Give praise.
857.5 meters.
Oh, no. No. So again, I hold on to the answer. Give praise. The total distance between the 2 cliffs.
$1,372 meters.
No, that is not correct. You still have some time.
696 meters.
That is not correct. Best brain.
1,200.5 meters.
That is also not correct. And time is up. So I'm wondering what my contestants were trying to calculate. Because you know what? I gave you the distance, I gave you time. But you know how it works when there's echo. As soon as you produce the sound, it will go and hit and come back to you. So meaning that whatever you had gotten, you needed to have divided it by 2. So if you did your calculations very well, the distance between the person and cliff A, you would have gotten 257.25 meters. And really, I would have accepted 1,029/4. Then the distance between her and cliff B, 343. Very simple. 343. And you only needed to put the two together, sum them up to give you the distance between the two cliffs. So 600.25 meters. My dear contestants. All right. The next set of questions. Again, I'll give you 50 seconds, and there's a preamble to all schools. For the following quantities, determine whether A is greater than B, B is greater than A, or A and B are equal. So I need you to determine whether A is greater than B, B is greater than A, or A and B are equal. Contestants, you have only one attempt, and no bonuses. Okay, one attempt, no bonuses. Star Holy Kingdom Academy. F into bracket X equals 3x plus 4. G into bracket So let me take it again because the sound was. So F into bracket X bracket closed equals 3x plus 4. G bracket open X bracket closed equals 2x squared plus X, and X equals 2. Quantity A, F into brackets G, another bracket open, X, bracket closed, all brackets closed. Quantity B, G, bracket open, F, another bracket open, X, first bracket closed, second bracket closed.
A is greater than B.
Unfortunately, B is greater than A. Unfortunately. You only needed to substitute. I gave you X. All right. Okay, so we'll go for a short commercial break and we'll be right back. Because give praise. Given that X and Y are both real numbers and X squared plus Y squared equals 25, quantity A, brackets open, XY, brackets closed, all squared. Quantity B, 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 raised to the power 2.
A is greater than B.
No, that is not correct. So time is up, no bonuses. Again, I indicated that they are real numbers. So you only needed to think about a number, you square, you add to another number squared to give you 25. So something like 3 squared plus 4 squared, giving you 144, isn't it? Yes. And the two are the same. Okay, Best Brain Academy. A and B are real numbers such that A plus B equals 8 and AB equals 15. Quantity A raised to the power 3 plus B raised to the power 3. Quantity B, 2AB, bracket open, A plus B, brackets closed.
Yeah, B is greater than A.
B is greater than A is correct. 3 points. For the next set of questions, contestants, I'll be making some statements and you are expected to state whether the statements are true or false. And these questions will not be passed on as bonuses. All right. GIFPRAISE Education, GIFPRAISE School Complex. A mother with blood group O and a father with blood group A can have a child with blood group O.
True.
That's a true statement. And my supporters, please, you need to zip your mouth. Okay, please zip your mouth because I heard some. Best Brain. A mother with blood group A and a father with blood group B can have a child with blood group O.
It's a true statement.
That's a true statement. Correct. 3 points. Star Holy Kingdom. A mother with blood group AB and a father with blood group O can have a child with blood group O. Yes, Denzel?
True.
No, that's a false statement. A, B, and O. Best Brain. Light exhibits both wave-like and particle-like properties.
True.
That's a true statement. Well done. Star Holy Kingdom. Ultraviolet light has a longer wavelength than infrared light.
False.
That's a false statement. Well done. 3 points. GIFPRAISE. GIFPRAISE. Red light has the shortest wavelength in the visible spectrum.
True.
Unfortunately, it's a false statement. And on that note, we have come to the end of round 1. Congratulations to the competing schools. You did so very well. And remember, our quiz has some sponsors, the KNUST e-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, the KNUST UITS, DEX Technologies, Ghana Standards Authority, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, Steady Eggs, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, Nestle Ghana Limited, and our media partner, Kesben TV. The scores are in, but before then, we'll take a short commercial break and we'll be right back with the scores. But before I provide all of us with the scores, there's a protest. So question 1 for Star Holy Kingdom Academy, where we projected the ROM, also known as the integrated circuit. So they have their protest, and they have indicated that our contestant identified the image and the function by adding to it that it aids in processing. But I gave him 1 point, and that is true. So I'll add 2 points. So I'll give you 3 points. 3 points. 3 points. Well done. So we have updated the scores. And so at the end of round 1, Best Brain Academy has 16 points. Please clap for them. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 9 points. Please clap for them. And GIFPRAISE School Complex, 6 points. Please clap for them. And my supporters, kindly give all our contestants a round of applause. They've done so very well. Well done, and I'm super proud of you. So we want to zoom into round 2. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger, and this particular round is buzzer dependent. And so contestants, let's just do a quick buzzer check. Quick, GIFPRAISE, 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 GIFPRAISE. Good. Okay. Star Holy Kingdom. Good. Best Brain. Okay. Star Holy Kingdom again. GIFPRAISE. And Best Brain. Very good. So we are good to go. But contestants, kindly pay attention to the instructions. So here, 1 question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. And when a contestant is ready to respond, hopefully with the correct answer, you need to press the buzzer before you attempt to answer the question. Answering the question before pressing the buzzer will disqualify your school from that particular question. And contestants, once you press the buzzer, you should be ready with your answer in 3 seconds. And my timekeeper is timing very well. He's apt on this one. So you press the buzzer, 3 seconds. 3 seconds, you should be ready to produce the answer. And if a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. And each school will have a maximum 1 attempt. When you press the buzzer, only 1 attempt. So you need to be audible. I'm sorry, if I don't hear you well, I'll pass it on as a bonus. So please be audible as well as possible. So 1 attempt to answer the question. And the wrong answer in this particular round will attract a penalty of 1 point. You know your points. You know your score. So please guard your points with all your heart. All right? But we are going to enjoy ourselves. And so I wish you all the best. Right. So the first one. In Excel, the keyboard shortcut Control+ is used for best brain.
For superscript.
-1. Star Holy.
To zoom in.
-1. We still have some time. Some people want to be careful. So you're only inserting the current date. Inserting the current date. Okay. What is the symbiotic relationship between the Venice flytrap and a beetle? Give praise.
Parasitism.
-1. Time up. So it is predation, because we know that the trap will eat the beetle alive. So that is predation. Okay. Aside Mercury, which element is best brain?
Bromine.
Bromine is correct. 4 points. Next one. Which planet in the solar system has the longest day? Star Holy.
Venus.
I didn't even finish the question. -1. And how long is it compared to Earth's day? Give praise.
The planet with the longest rotation is Venus, and it has 243. It takes 243 Earth days to complete 1 rotation.
4 points. So contestants, sometimes you want to slow down and really wait for me to finish reading the question. Next one. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the best brain.
40 degrees, 60 degrees, and 80 degrees.
4 points. Next one. An amalgam is a combination of the elements of So time is up. So it is mercury and any other metal. So any other metal like silver, copper, or even tin. Next one, it's a long one, so pay attention. A 500 kilogram car is moving around a flat circular curve of radius 50 meters at a speed of 10 meters per second. The coefficient of static friction between the tires and the road is 0.6. Calculate the maximum frictional force available. Take G to be equal to 10 meters per second squared. So I gave you all the parameters. I gave you 500, I gave you 0.6, I gave you 10. Multiply everything, 3,000 newtons. Right, the next one. A conical cup has a radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. A hemisphere cover is attached to the base of the cone, also with a radius of 5 centimeters. What is the maximum volume of the cup? Leave your answer as an improper fraction in pi. Oh, time is up. So for this particular question, you needed to remember two formulae. The formula for the volume of a cone, and then the formula for the volume of a hemisphere. And I'm sure you remember the formula. I can give it to you anyway. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times h, the height. I gave you the height. And the volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cubed. So if you inserted all the numbers I gave, you would have gotten 250 pi over 3 plus 300 pi over 3, giving you a total of 550 over 3 pi centimeter cubed. So on that note, we have come to the end of round 2. Please clap for my contestants. But before I provide you with the scores, you remember one of the questions I asked, actually it was fastest finger, so it makes our work very simple and very easy. I asked that in Excel, the keyboard shortcut Control plus and then a semicolon. Out of excitement, I forgot about the semicolon. And unfortunately, everybody got it wrong. So I'm replacing that question, okay? Is it fair? So get ready. So the replacement is, in Excel, we are still staying in Excel. In Excel, Control plus D, give praise.
Control plus D helps display the font, display the font dialog box.
-1. Oh, time is up. So, Control plus D will definitely fill down from the cell above. It will fill down. And on that note, we have come to the end of round 2. Well done, contestants. Please give it up to them. And so at the end of round 2, or in round 2, Best Brain Academy, 7 points. Please clap for them. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 0 points. Please clap for them. And GIFPRAISE Educational Complex, 2 points. Please clap for them. Which means that at the end of round 1 and round 2, Best Brain Academy, 23 points. A round of applause. Oh, please, clap for them. They've done well. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 9 points. Please clap for them. Well done. GIFPRAISE School Complex, 8 points. Please clap for them. Well done. So we'll move to round 3, but before then, we'll go for a short commercial break, and we'll be right back. we'll zoom into round 3. But before then, there is a substitution. And so we have Best Brain, Klaus Apia Boateng, or Klaus Apia Boateng is leaving us, and Derek Boache will join. Well done, Klaus or Klaus. Well done for proudly representing your school. I'm sure your school is definitely proud of you. Well done. Please give it up. And then there's another, that's the only substitution we have. So, who do we have here? Do you want to mention your name and your class or form?
Derek Boache, Form 2.
Please clap for him. Derek, can you display the name tag? Good. So Derek has joined Jones Ajay Jr. So our contestants are almost ready with their items for round 3. Remember, round 3 is powered by the Deck Science set. And in this round, one question will be given to all schools, and the question here would require some task to be performed, after which an assessment would be made. The score for this round is 15 points. And contestants, I don't know what they are reading. Contestants, hold on, all right? Hold on. I'll give you enough time for you to go through the task. So I'll give you 15 minutes to complete the task, and the score for this round is 15 points. Like I said, round 3 is proudly powered by the Dex Science set. So contestants, kindly, as I go through the items, you need to check to be sure you have everything. So you have been provided with two resistors labeled R1 and R2, a 9-volt battery labeled B, 2 LEDs labeled D1 and D2, and a switch labeled K. 2 resistors labeled R1 and R2, a 9-volt battery labeled B, 2 LEDs labeled D1 and D2, and a switch labeled K. Give praise. Are you good? Do you have everything? Good. Star Holy Kingdom, everything intact? Good. Best Brain, you have all the items? Do you? Okay. So your first task is to use the items you have been provided with to construct a circuit, and you have a very nice image in front of you. And your second task is to observe what happens to both LEDs. Third task is for you to close the switch and again observe what will happen to the LEDs. The fourth task is that you need to draw again or redraw the circuit and indicate the current flow through the circuit in task 2 and task 3. Are you okay? Right. Then I have only 2 related questions for you. Question number 1, what were your observations in tasks 2 and 3? And then number 2, which is application. Just give me 2 examples of this experiment in our everyday lives. Okay? Right. So on that note, I will give you 15 minutes and I wish you all the best. You may start work now. You have written the name of your school on the sheet provided. Vanessa, can you please hand your script over, your paper over to me? Denzel, can you do that for your school? And Jones, can you do that for your school? Well done. Please clap for them. Well done. Well done. Well done. And then I'll just go through in the order I received them. So, Best Brain, they forgot to write their name, the name of their school. So, I'll do it for them. No, not -1. This one is not -1. So, Derek, tell me, how was it? Please listen to, don't say fine. The activity, the task, was it a difficult one? Yeah, speak into the microphone. Think about yours, okay? Yes, how was it?
It was a normal task.
A normal task. Okay, so it wasn't exciting.
Oh,
it wasn't challenging.
It was a little bit challenging.
Oh, okay. So it wasn't so normal a task, isn't it? Kelvin, how was it?
It was cool.
It was cool, Charlie. And Anne, was it cool? Was it normal, or it was something else?
It was quite complex.
Okay.
It was intriguing. We were able to do.
It was intriguing. Amazing. And she said it was quite complex. But let me run through the solution. And contestants, I'm sure once I run through the solution, you'll be able to mark yourself. You'll be able, so a very simple task. And of course, I went around, I realized you were able to complete the task. So just for completing the task, 3 points away to whoever, to the schools. But I'm here to go through your solutions anyway. And task 4, remember task 4, I needed you to draw again or redraw the circuit. And importantly, indicate the current flow through the circuits in task 2 and task 3. You remember what you did in task 2. You remember what you did in task 3. And then for question 1, very simple. Just write your observations. And if you were able to write the observations, 4 points, 2 points each. And in terms of your observations, if you connected everything so very well, with your battery and your resistors and your light emitting diodes and everything. Then in task 2, indeed in task 2, we only asked you to observe right after putting everything together. And if you put everything together very well, applying all the physics rules pertaining electrical forces and energy and arrangement and all that, then we expected that the LED D1 would turn on, only LED D1. So if you had something else, then wahala. Then in task 3, where we asked you to close the switch. So this time the switch was very important. We asked that you close the switch and again observe and write your observations. So if you did your connections very well, then right upon closing the switch, both diodes, both LEDs would turn on. So your D1 and D2, you would see lights. And I saw some people with light, others without light, and so on and so forth. And that would give you 4 points, so 2 points each. Then the application, 2 examples of the experiment in our everyday lives, a lot of them. So flashlight with a button switch, because you see, once you press the button, then we complete the circuit and light is produced. So things like even car headlights, again, when you turn the headlight on, the switch completes and then light comes up. Then household light switches, so you flip, you see the on and the off. When you flip the switch, there's completion of the circuit and then light is turned on. Several examples, you use remote controls for your TVs, your radios, and all your gadgets. So once you press the button, there's a completion of a certain circuit, and then whatever, the signal is sent to the device you are using. Then even doorbell, the system in there is also based on this particular strategy. So when you press the doorbell, there's a completion of the circuit. People are not smiling. Don't worry, you'll be fine. So let's look at, we'll go for a short commercial break whilst my contestants will allow the solution to sink in as I go through their answers as provided. So we'll be back very soon.
best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under sciences, agriculture, education, business, built environment, humanities, and engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. You can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Kasley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd D Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapohini near the SNIT regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers with the requisite minimum number of qualified applicants. Facilitation is a blend of online and face-to-face sessions on weekends. For more information and in-depth knowledge about the programs, you can visit the KNUST IDL website at idl.knust.edu.gh or call them on 0247 274 661 or 0507 110 005.
The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is a beacon of academic excellence in Ghana. In an era where education transcends traditional boundaries, KNUST is at the forefront championing the cause of e-learning. This is
not easy connecting diodes and batteries and a number of other things, but you did well. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. So let's look at Star Holy Kingdom Academy. They completed the task, so they get 3/3. Then the task 4, where we ask them to observe. I always love to read. Task 2, in task 2, the D2 turned on, but D1 did not turn on. And obviously, that is wrong. So 0 for that. Then task 3, they've cancelled the number of things. So it's so difficult to even appreciate what they have written. Okay, so both LEDs turned off. So they wrote, in task 3, D1 turned on, D2 also turned off. Then they cancelled it. Then they have written again, or they wrote again, both LEDs turned off. And obviously, I indicated that both LEDs rather turned on. So it means that they get 0 out of 4. Then give 2 examples of this experiment in our everyday lives. So using switches, and you heard me indicate that, so that gives them 2 points. And then they started by writing in rectify. I don't know, maybe they didn't complete their sentence. So it means that they get a total of 7 out of 15. I'll go through the 7 out of 15, just for fairness sake. So completion of their task, 3/3, task 4, 2/4. The application, they gave me only 1, so that makes 2 out of 4. Then the observation. And in fact, we even asked them to draw the task 4. They were asked to draw the direction. And unfortunately, they gave me opposite things. So task 2, they have drawn and they have shown the direction in the opposite way. Task 3 too in the opposite way. Task 3, they have given me the correct way. So that's how come they got 2 out of 4. So this makes 7 out of 15. Please clap for them. Well done. GIFPRAISE. So GIFPRAISE, they completed the task 3 out of 3. Then task 4. I gave you 2 different circuits. But they decided to draw only 1, or they drew only 1. And even that one, the direction is something else. So they get 0 out of 4 for that. Then the question 2, which had to do with, the observation first. Again, they have written, after completing task 2, the LEDs failed to light up. This is because the switch was open. That is obviously not true. Then after completing the task 3, closing the circuit, the LEDs lighted up, indicating that there is flow of electric current. So that is very true. So 2 out of 4 for them. Then the applications, they gave me broad applications, electrical connections in our homes. And I decided to be generous, so I gave them 1 out of 2. Then they also have indicated electrical connection in electrical appliances. Very broad. But I decided to be generous, so I gave them 1 out of 2. So meaning that they get 2 out of 4 for that, making a total of 7 out of 15 for GIFPRAISE. Well done. Best Brain, they completed the task. Then for them, observation. After construction of task 2, only LED 1 light up. Good, that's 2 points. In task 3, both LED D1 and LED D2 light up, but dim. And D2 was dim. So they really wanted to explain. And congratulations for giving, even though I did not ask for any explanation. I did not ask for any explanation. So they gave me, so that gives them 4 out of 4 for the observation. Then 2 examples in our everyday. No, let's look at the direction of the current flow first. So they gave me amazing things. Strange, not amazing, strange things. Everything in the opposite direction. Everything opposite. Opposite, opposite. So you get 0 out of 4. But then, applications. It is used in electric lamps. That is true. And then traffic lights as well. That is also true. So they get 4 for this particular one, which gives them a total of 11 out of 15. Well done, well done. Well done to all our contestants. We are so proud of you. And truly, we are happy you are on this stage. I saw a lot of teamwork. I saw a lot of collaboration. And I will honestly recommend that you keep it up, because you are being prepared for the next stage or the next stages of your lives. Well done, well done. So we are waiting for the scores, but I need to make a correction. During the fastest brain, fastest finger, I remember Star Holy Kingdom Academy, I gave them -1, didn't I? And they were actually wrong. But I'm sure my score master, he was in a different mood, so he forgot. So I'll go through the scores at the end of round 2 again, so we all know our smoothness levels. Is that okay? So at the end of round 2, Best Brain Academy, 24 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 8 points. And then GIFPRAISE School Complex, 8 points. Then let's look at round 3. Round 3. So round 3, you already know Best Brain, 11. Star Holy Academy, Kingdom Academy, 7 points. GIFPRAISE, 7 points. Giving them a total of Best Brain Academy, 35 points. Please clap for them. Well done. And Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 15 points. Please clap for them. And GIFPRAISE School Complex, 15 points. Please clap for them. So we'll move straight into round 4, but I think we have a couple of substitutions. And we want to clap for Vanessa Ofori. Well done. Thank you for representing GIFPRAISE School Complex all the way from the Eastern region. And so we would have Adom join us. Please clap for Adom as he takes his seat. Oh, please clap for him. Okay, so you've exchanged your pleasantries, right? Okay, please turn the microphone on. And then let's hear Adom's voice. Your name and your B8, B9 or class something.
Adoeshin Adom, Basic 8.
All right, please clap for Adom. Adom, you are welcome. What should we expect from you, Adom? What should we expect from you?
Okay, so you expect nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best from Adom. Okay, so we want to start round 4. Round 4 is decoding the clues round, and this round is again buzzer dependent. And so, dear contestants, let's just do a short buzzer check. GIFPRAISE, can we hear your buzzer? Star Holy Kingdom, your buzzer. And Best Brain Academy, your buzzer. Okay, Star Holy Kingdom again. Good. GIFPRAISE again. Good. And best brain again. Very good. We are good to go. But please, listen to the instructions. So here, the question will be read out as a series of clues. If answered on the first clue, 6 points. 6 points. Answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points. Answered correctly on the third clue, 4 points will be given out. And on the fourth or any other clue or indication, 3 points. Contestants, 1 attempt, only 1 attempt. And please, you need to sound or you need to be audible. And contestants, you have to press the buzzer before you attempt to answer. As always, if you fail to press the buzzer and you go ahead to produce an answer, though a wrong answer, though correct answer, the correct answer will be squashed. Okay? So we want to start with the first set. I am known to cast shadows. I come from the Greek word which means abandonment. I occur when one celestial body blocks star holy.
Eclipse.
Eclipse is correct. 4 points. 4 points. The next one. The next one. We'll go for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. We are having a number of technical issues. We'll be right back. Give praise your buzzer. Star holy your buzzer. Best brain your buzzer. All right. Okay. So the next set 2. Remember we have only 4 riddles. I am a 4-sided shape with all sides equal. Star holy.
A square.
My opposite sides are best brain.
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Correct. On the second, so 5 points. The last but one. I help your thoughts take shape. I can also dress you in black or colors so bright. I create copies far and near without a pen. Think of me as a machine that turns digital documents. Give praise.
A printer.
Printer is correct. On the fourth clue, 3 points. Contestant, the last one. The last one. I am a farmer's clever design. In my design, different crops share the same environment. By diversifying, I help farmers reduce pests and use nutrients wisely. Star Holy.
Mixed farming.
My method improves yields and keeps the soil healthy. Best brain.
Crop rotation.
I am the agricultural practice of planting 2 or more crops together. You will find me. Give praise. Mixed cropping is correct. Answered on the seed clue, 3 points. And on that note, we come to the end of round 4. Please give it up to our contestants. Well done. So go for a short commercial break whilst my score master puts the scores together. We'll be back shortly. Round 4, Best Brain Academy accrued 5 points. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 4 points. GIFPRAISE School Complex, 6 points. Making a total of 40 points for Best Brain Academy. Well done, well done, well done. 19 points for Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Well done. And 21 points for GIFPRAISE School Complex. Well done. And we will move straight to the very last round. But we have some few substitutions. So, Best Brain Academy, Jones is leaving us, and Asari is also leaving us for Daku Owusu to come in and Sabina to also come in. Please clap for the 2 gentlemen. Well done. And we have Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Kelvin is leaving us for Apia to come in. Okay, Best Brain, we have 2. Best Brain. So Jones is leaving us Daku Owusu is coming in. And who else is coming in? Just a moment. Okay, so that's it. So we still have Derek with us. Now we have Raymond Owusuba. Raymond, let's hear your voice.
Owusu Raymond Daku is my name, Form 3.
Okay. What are you bringing on board? This is the last round. So what are you bringing on board? What magic are you bringing on board?
I'm here to showcase the best performance.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Star Holy, we have two amazing females. Ladies, kindly introduce yourselves.
Abia Boba is my basic 8.
And?
Babain Atani, basic 8.
Okay, what should we expect from you?
Our help is in the name of the Lord, who created heaven and earth, who will go before us.
Amen. So there is another substitution. And it is for GIFPRAISE School Complex. So Anne is leaving us. Anne, well done, Anne. Thank you very much for representing your school. For Nathan to come in. Nathan to come in. So I will let them settle. No, can you display the name tag? Good. And we want to hear your voice.
Nathan is my name, and I'm in Form 2.
Okay, what should we expect from you?
Nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best. Okay. All right, so I will allow the new entrants to settle. And so we'll go for a short commercial break, and we will be back soon. Okay, so round 5, the very last round for this contest. And again, that is buzzer dependent. So quickly, best brain, Star Holy, GIFPRAISE. Good. So there will be 3 sets of questions in this round. And each question or each set has a main question and 2 sub-questions. I hope you are paying attention. Best brain. Schools will compete to be the first to ring their buzzer. The first school to ring its buzzer will be allowed to answer the first question. If the school answers the question correctly, they will have the sole right to answer the subsequent question. The main question will be passed on for 4 marks if it is incorrectly answered by the school that rings the buzzer first. Sub-questions in a set will be passed on as bonus if it is incorrectly answered. Again, contestants, bonus questions will be competed for by pressing the buzzer. 3 points will be awarded for answering the main question correctly, and 1 point each for the sub-questions answered correctly. A point will be awarded for questions answered as bonus in this particular round. And when any of the competing schools is unable to answer a question, the question automatically comes to an end. My dear contestants, all the best. Best wishes. So I'll project an image, and I need you to identify what has been projected. Best brain.
A zygote.
That is not correct. Bonus. There's some time. So that ends the question. By the way, a black hole. A black hole. The next set. The next set. The Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2020 was awarded for discovering a virus causing which disease? Best brain.
Hepatitis C.
Correct. Next one comes to you. Next one comes to you. Imagine if the hepatitis C virus Star Holly, can you press your buzzer? It's working. It is working so very well. Okay, just relax. All right? Just relax. Okay, for the sake of fairness, give praise. Can we hear your buzzer? Star Holly Academy, yours. Is it working? Is it working? Okay, best brain. So this goes to best brain. Imagine if the hepatitis C virus had not been identified. How might this have impacted patients receiving blood transfusions or organ transplants?
Okay. If the hepatitis C virus not been discovered, when organ transplant or blood fusion has been taking place, the virus from the infected person will be transmitted to the person, to the other patient who's...
Unfortunately, time is up, and I'm not giving that answer. I'm not giving that as a correct answer. So yes, a lot of patients, you transfuse blood, and then you get into organ transplants, which would mean that a lot of other people will stand a very high chance of contracting the virus, which will then increase the number of chronic liver disease. Okay, so all the things you said, it was something else. So that ends that particular question. The last one. Who is known for their pioneering work on X-ray? Best brain.
William Lawrence Bragg and William Henry Bragg.
That is not correct. Give praise.
Wilhelm Conrad.
That is also not correct. Which X-ray crystallography, which earned them a Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1964? Holly. Go on. That is correct. 3 points. So, Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin, her work on the structure of dash using X-ray crystallography helped develop effective treatments for anemia. I need the dash. That is not correct. Bonus. That vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 to prevent anemia. So that ends that particular question as well. And contestants, on that note, we have come to the end of round 5 and the end of the contest. And remember, the quiz is proudly supported by a number of sponsors. Go for a short commercial break. We will be back very soon.
I'm the one.
Yeah. Center. We want to thank the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning. We say thank you to the KNUST UITS. We appreciate DEX Technologies. We say thank you so very much to the Ghana Standards Authority, to Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited. We say you are deeply appreciated. To the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation. We say thank you so very much for joining us in this year's competition. StudyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, Nestle Ghana Limited, we want to appreciate all of you for coming on board to support us. And importantly, to our media partner, Hesben TV, we say thank you very much for partnering with us in this year's competition. So our scores are in, and in round 5, Best Brain Academy, 3 points. Please clap for them. Well done. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 3 points. Well done. And GIFPRAISE School Complex, 0 points, but still well done. And this makes a total, and now in ascending order. So at the end of day 2, contest 1, for the qualifiers, for the national quiz competition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz, the 2024 edition, GIFPRAISE Educational Complex has 21 points. Well done. Star Holy Kingdom Academy, 22 points. Well done. And Best Brain Academy, 43 points. Very well done. Very well done. And so well done to GIFPRAISE School Complex, all the way from the Eastern region, and Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Very well done. You displayed a lot of mastery over some of the questions. However, this seemed to be the end of the road for only the 2024 competition. But we still have 2025 in the pipeline, 2026, and all the others in the pipeline. And so I am really looking very much forward to seeing you on this stage and you progressing to the next stages for our next round of quizzes. And so I wish you very well. GIFPRAISE and Star Holy Kingdom Academy. Well done, well done, well done. Best Brain Academy, Best Brain. So they have joined the 3 other schools who won in the contest yesterday, and we will collate all of them, and very soon, I'm sure I will meet you during the semi-finals. And so, by the powers invested in me, as the quiz mistress for this particular contest, I am happy to indicate that Best Brain Academy, they are the winners for this particular contest. Well done. Well done. And we want to say thank you to our supporters. We appreciate you for joining us. But there's another contest coming right after this contest. And listen to the names of the schools. Mana International School, they will be on the stage. Anchela School, they will be on the stage. And New Pathways Academy, they will also be on the stage. We want to thank all our viewers, those who were able to join us on our YouTube channels, our Facebook pages, and also read and sent comments to our Twitter or our X handles. We say thank you very much, and we want to wish you a good afternoon. But before signing off, my name is Augustine Angelina Silverkin, and I have been your quiz mistress for this morning's competition. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Congratulations to Best Brain
Through every challenge, every test, in the halls where dreams take flight, we stand together, hearts alight. Through every challenge, every test, we rise as one, we give our best. Like ants that march through storm and rain, we never balk, we feel no pain. With hope in our hearts and strength in hand, we find new ways to take a stand. Best Brain Academy, our guiding star. We reach for greatness, no matter how far. Hope and perseverance lead our way. In every struggle, we'll find a day. We are the builders of tomorrow's dream, chasing success, a constant gleam. No path is easy, no road is clear, but we are strong and we have no fear. Through twists and turns we will endure, our future bright, our hearts hearts are pure. For every step we take today paves the path for a brighter way. Best brain academy.